What's up YouTube? Devin here. This is weird. So I've been staying at this hostel in Rishikesh called Live Free Hostel. I just have to tell you about this hostel. This place is amazing. They have so much to do. The atmosphere is fantastic. The common areas are amazing. It's in Tapavan. So they have the basement. It's super cheap. Traveler. There's no AC down there, but you don't even need it because it's a basement. It's so cool down there. It's perfect. They have an 8-bed. It's excellent. I'm staying in an 8-bed right now, and it's perfect. Everyone that's been in that room with me, we have become friends. After that, they do also offer a slightly smaller dorm with a 4-bed mixed AC. They also offer that 4-bed AC in a female-only dorm. And for those eager for a bit more privacy, they also offer private rooms. They have a standard private room, which is exactly what it sounds like. A queen-size bed, private bathroom, closet, workspace, everything you'll need. It's fantastic. And finally, the best. Oh my God. They have a deluxe private room. That's what's up. That's a full-blown hotel in a hostel setting. So you get the best of both worlds. Your own room, TV, water heater, bathroom. And one of the common areas is right outside of your door. You have your own porch. It's awesome. It's so good. All right, well, that's enough of that. Thanks for tuning in. I'm gonna go swimming in a waterfall. Later.